Alright, so here is our article. I'll read it and then explain as I go. So if you need to rewatch again to help you answer the questions, you can do that. So, is there life in space? Are we alone? We have asked these questions for centuries. So here is what the article is all about. This article is about life outside of Earth, so life on other planets in space. Scientists are trying to find out if anybody is out there. The researchers are from SETI, the Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence. So scientists and researchers are the same. So scientists and researchers are people who do science. So they run experiments and they try to figure out things about the world around us. So just remember that scientists and researchers are the same. So these scientists are studying life in space. The researchers and scientists are from SETI. So the search, so they're looking. Extraterrestrial just means alien or Martian, like Martian from our story. So extraterrestrial is like an alien. So terrestrial is terrestrial is like Earth, and so extra is like outside of Earth, and then intelligence is just life. So life outside of Earth. Its mission is to understand and explain the origin of life and the evolution of intelligence. So their mission, so what they're trying to do, is to understand and explain the origin of life. So they are looking for where life started. So the origin is the start of something. So they're looking for the start of life. And the evolution of intelligence, so they're looking at how life grows. So in this article, intelligence means the same thing as life. So the evolution is how something grows. So the evolution of intelligence just means how something grows. But evolution is over a really, really long time. So millions and millions of years. Scientists will scan the sky for signs of alien life. So the scientists or researchers are looking in the sky for signs of alien life. So they have special machines that scan the sky. So scan means to look completely at. So they're looking everywhere. Citizen scientists will use the data to spot things missed by scientists. So citizen scientists are just regular people. So people like you and me are citizen scientists. So they help them by looking at all of these images to help the scientist find things. Because there's only a few scientists, but lots of citizen scientists. So lots of regular people to help the scientists. Scientists will use giant radio telescopes to look for technosignatures of alien life. So they're using these big telescopes that can scan for technosignatures. So they're looking for radio waves on other planets to look for alien life or extraterrestrial intelligence. These technosignatures can include chemicals, large amounts of oxygen, non-natural structures, and lasers. It is the first time a project will search the entire sky. So this is the only project so far that will look at the whole sky. An astronomer is a scientist who studies space. An astronomer said finding out if we are alone is among the biggest questions in science. So finding other life outside of Earth is very important in science right now. Another scientist said we are getting closer to finding out if aliens exist. So she thinks that scientists are very close to telling whether aliens exist or not. She said science fiction is now almost mainstream science. So science fiction is like books that are not real about space or technology in the future, but science fiction is not real. But now they think that this type of fiction is almost becoming real science. So that's the article.